What's up guys, back with another video. In today's video I'll show you guys how to install a brake light mod for your 350Z. This works for any type of vehicle as long as you know how to wire it up, which I'll show you how to. Here's a clip of how it works. And this is the before. This install is pretty easy. All you need is a torch. You're gonna need some type of connector. These ones I found on Amazon. You crimp it and then you use heat or torch to melt it. And there's like solder inside, which is pretty cool. You're also gonna need a crimper or I forget what that's called. A cut and pliers, flathead, 10mm, extension if you want, wrench of course, electrical tape, and also the light module. This will be linked below. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery, which I already did. Just take off the positive terminal. Next, you want to start taking off the headlight. For the 350Zs, there's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. These are all 10mm. Next, you want to carefully take out the headlight, tail light. You want to undo this clip as well as this clip. You're going to want to grab the brake light plug-in. This one is for the running light, I believe. You notice the brake light because it has 3 wires, while this one only has 2. You just want to cut around the guard. Be careful not to hit the wire, of course. Alright, and now you're going to see 3 wires. A black one, a red one, and a pink and blue one. The black one you leave alone, you don't touch that. The red one is actually the negative, and the pink one is the positive. So you're gonna want to clip these 2 wires. Just like that. And make sure you guys unplug your battery so you guys don't short anything out.
Next, we're gonna grab your splicer and splice these 2 wires. These wires are actually too small for my splicer, so I'm gonna use the cut and pliers.
Next, you want to grab the module. As you can see, it says in and out. In is going to be wired directly into where the car is. So that would be this wire, and out's going to be running towards the light. So it's right, almost straight to the plug, just like that. Or my phone overheated, so all I did was connect these 2 on this side, these 2 on this side, just getting ready. And again, you want to go to in, and that's going to go on this side. So red is going to go to the pink side, right here. Alright, once that's in, you want to crimp that. Alright, now my phone just overheated, so I don't know how much of the footage just got lost. But I essentially wired everything in. In went this way, black went to the red side, and the red positive, or the red side, went to the pink/blue. And then going out, it was black to red, and then red to pink/blue. Now we just need to plug everything in and then see if it works. Alright, I'm gonna go plug in the battery and then go inside the car, make sure everything works. I'm gonna press on the brakes and then check the footage to see if this works. Alright, so everything ended up working all perfectly fine. I'm gonna list down the wires and the way everything's supposed to be connected down in the description. Now I'm just gonna use a torch, heat shrink this, and then I'm gonna wrap everything up and then go from there.
Alright, we're all right there. I'm gonna let that cool down for a minute, wrap it up, and then get right back. Alright, now this is all taped up. Now let's put everything back together.
Hopefully you guys did enjoy this quick, easy tutorial. My second video out. Don't know how I did. I'm gonna go edit this real quick, get this up for you guys, and then go from there. If you guys did enjoy, if this did help you, please be sure to drop a like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, thanks.